Alright, I'm gonna paint the wheels and do something different. It's hard to do, but I'm trying to paint them like almost like halfway orange and see what that looks like. May not come out perfect, but that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna paint half of them orange. Just like that. It's hard to do on camera. I'm probably botching it up. I already did the other ones. Alright, something like that. Then I'm going to paint them. Good enough. Now I'm going to have to do my other ones. Painting the front ones up, they came out good. Let's see if this one worked out. Pretty good. A little bit off there. I'll have to touch that up just a little bit. But it came out pretty good. On to the next step. Alright guys, it's time for the body. I'm going to make mine different because everyone I see, like 99% of them are all box art. I'm sick of seeing them in the box art. So, some of my guys are going to cringe. They may get nervous. But I'm doing it anyhow. I don't even care if it looks bad as long as it looks different because I can't stand them all box art. Got my trusty Dremel here. I got some bits with the Dremel. And I'm going to be doing something inside on the body so I could do a little detail with paint. So let's try that right now. There goes nothing. They think I'm crazy, but see what it looks like. I just put something behind it, right like that. I don't know if you guys will see it, but just doing something silly on it. Like I said, I don't want everything the same, so that's what I'm doing. I gotta hit the bottom over here. I think I got it good. See if I can shine a light. Maybe that'll make it pop. See, I don't want to blind you guys, but you'll see that. try to put it through here maybe. I don't know if you'll see it. So that's what I did to it. I don't know if I'm going to do anything in the back. I may just leave that the way it is. Put a little on the side here. Let's get to it. I don't want to hit my leg. This is going to be hard. Looks good enough. That's good enough. So that's what I'm doing with the body, guys. And then we'll see what it looks like inside. I could show you up close. Maybe if I put the white paper behind it now. See what it looks like. And I did it also on the back here. Way. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, that's what I did. And I'm going to doctor that up with some paint, and you'll see it when I'm doing it. Beauty. Alright guys, for the body, I'm going to use some Parma paint. I got some fluorescent orange. This is a pigment I add to make my own colors. I'm going to do the body with all those lines I made in it, like white with fluorescent orange. I'm going to paint that on from the inside with a paintbrush, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to mix up some paint and then we'll start painting. Alright, I got the paint mixed up. Alright, I got the paint mixed up here. So I'm gonna just do a little bit on it. Don't want to go too crazy with this. See how this comes out when I'm finished. I don't know. see this side? That's neat. Alright. Check this one more time. And that's gonna look sick. Get a little bit of orange here. That's gonna look cool looking. Alright guys. So that's it for the body. And then I gotta back it up with the white. And it's gonna make that pop, and we'll do that next. Alright guys, there's the body. I heated it up with the hair dryer. I got white ready. I'm gonna back it up. This is thick. This is that Parma stuff. I don't even think they make it anymore. Let's see. It's hard to see because I have that dull coating on here. But it's going to be white with orange. See what it looks like. It's gonna look awesome, I think, once I take that dull coat sticker protector off of it. Now I gotta do this really quick. I'm going to hit it with the hair dryer, then we're going to peel this off and see what it looks like. Alright guys, let's see if we can peel this off here. Of course I have no nails. There it is. Let's see what this looks like. While it's my guys were having heart attacks knowing I was gonna not do box art. I don't know about you guys. Let me step back and get the camera. You probably can't see it because it's so shiny. But it looks really good. Let's take this off here. Check out that. I know there's a lot of reflection, so it's hard to see it, but it looks really nice. So I think it's gonna look good. So that's it. Next, I'll have to paint the guy up. Maybe I'll put the stickers on if I put some on. Well, there it is guys. I gotta put the tires on. I gotta paint the driver. That's what I'm up to right now. Looks real good looking, I think. Alright guys, I finished up the driver. Here he is. I don't know how close I could go, so that's what he looks like. I did the suit here. So I gotta screw this together now. And I gotta put it in the buggy. There he is. And we're going to put him in now. The body. Carefully screw the screw down into his skull. Here it is with the body on. I gotta put the tires on real quick, then we'll take a look at the buggy finished. Alright guys, she's all finished. That's the box art. And here's mine. Let me show you up close. Probably all reflective, but that's what it looks like. Now, everything went smooth with it. The only problem I'm having is the wheels. I painted them with this fluorescent orange, but I used Krylon paint, and it feels like it scrapes off real easy. So they're probably going to get toasted up on the first run. That's it. She's finished. I'm going to take a close look at it with the camera. I'm going to move it here to show you guys. And there she is. She looks like a beauty. We'll get close on the graphics the way I painted it on. I don't know if this will focus, but it's all reflective. But that's how it looks. I think it came out pretty neat looking. Let's flip her around. Well, we got a grasshopper in here. The guy came out pretty good. It's hard to see him, but we'll get some close-ups here going down. Now I'll try to get the top of it for you. Anyhow guys, that's the completed Vanquish. Hope you guys like the paint job. And I'll have a running video soon, so stay tuned. Subscribe so you don't miss the running video. Leave a comment, let me know if you like it. And hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And I gotta get this sucker out for a run sometime. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Shen RC out. Beauty.